Hello, my name is John from Agape Acupuncture. Today I'm going to show you an exercise with a chair, preferably with a back support that is a little higher than this. When you're sitting on it like this on the side, you want the back of this chair to be at least come up to your chest level. Now this is not the ideal height, but I'll make it work, and so can you. What you want to do is place your armpit right above the top of the backrest and just lean into it. From this point, if you can handle the pressure, you can drop your head onto your shoulder, and that'll give you more pressure. Of course, you want to find the right spot that will feel good when you apply pressure on it. This is the stand-up position. If you move the other shoulder forward, you'll be working on your pectoral muscle that is attached to your shoulder. And when you move the other shoulder backwards, make sure you adjust your position accordingly. You will work more on the muscles that are on the back. And again, you can drop your shoulder if you can handle the pressure. In the beginning, you may not be able to tolerate the pressure, this amount of pressure. So make sure to not lean all the way in when you first start off. It's up to you to experiment how far you lean back or how far you lean forward. What you want to feel is a good pain, a pain that you get accompanied with good feeling. It's like when somebody rubs out your sore spots after a good workout. That's what you want to feel. If it's too painful, then make sure you're not leaning too much into the chair. I will cover the anatomy of the shoulder on a separate video. If the shoulder pain is from arthritis, I will cover on a separate video what you can do for arthritic shoulder pain. But even arthritic shoulder pain can be relieved from working on your shoulder muscles, rotator cuff muscles. I hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos, and make sure you exercise daily for better health. Thank you for watching.